Hi everyone, today we'll look at GCSE trigonometry question involving trigonometry ratios as well as Pythagoras theorem. So this is today's question worth 5 marks. This quadrilateral is formed by two right-angle triangles, given that AC equals to 17, AE equals to 18, and BD equals to 6. We now have to show that CD equals to 10 centimeter. To find for the length of CD, we first need to use the length of AC, which is 17 cm, to find for AB or BC. So in this case, since we know the length of AE, which is 18 and an angle 60, we can find for the length of AB first, and then find for the length of BC later. Okay, now let's use the pink triangle to find for the length of AB. We're now going to use the trigonometry ratio since it's a right angle triangle. Since we have to find for the length of AB, we have to use the cosine ratio. So cosine 60 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is AB, while the hypotenuse is AE. So let's write down the values here. Cosine 60 equals to AB over 18. You have to recognize that 60 is a special angle that gives us the exact value. So since cosine 60 is equal to 1 over 2, let's replace cosine 60 into 1 over 2. Then equals to AB over 18. So to satisfy this equation, AB equals to 9. So this is the result for the length of AB. So let me write down the 9 centimeter. Now let's move on to the next step. Since AB equals to 9 centimeter, we now can find for the length of BC, which is 17 minus 9 centimeter, which is 8 centimeter. Since it is also given that BCD is a right angle triangle, we now can use the Pythagoras theorem to find for the length of CD. Then we can write an equation as CD square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. Simplify the right side, then it turns into 36 plus 64. Then CD square is equal to 100, which is CD equals to 10 centimeter. So this is our answer for today's question. We just showed that CD equals to 10 centimeter. So this is a typical trigonometry question that comes up in IGCSE exam paper. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.